Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share an application which I came across because I started learning software development. So while learning, I installed numerous IDEs, frameworks, and packages. But the problem I was facing was my machine was my PC was constantly crashing because I was not able to run all the packages at the same time. So I did not have that configuration to run all the packages at the same time. So that's when I discovered this very cool app called as Replit. So Replit, being a SaaS, which stands for software as a service, it provides an online coding environment, provides all the tools and features necessary for software development. It acts as an IDE, collaborating platform, a cloud provider, and a developer community, and so much more. So it allows its users to write their own code and create their own projects and in dozens of different languages. And at the same time, it gives us chance to earn money while learning coding and building projects. Let's see all of its features one by one. So the first one of the most unique features of Replit is its multiplayer mode. Two people at the different locations can work on the same project. Replit's multiplayer mode enables developers to work on the same code base simultaneously and see changes in real time. It includes a chat feature for communication, making it ideal for remote teams and pair programming. This fosters collaboration, saves time, and enhances efficiency. Replit also makes it easy to deploy your code on the web with just few clicks. With Replit's deployment feature, developers can deploy their projects with just a few clicks. Replit supports a wide range of programming languages and frameworks, including Python, Java, Node.js, and React, to name a few. This means that developers can deploy a wide range of applications, from simple static web pages to complex web applications. Replit's deployment process is designed to be simple and straightforward. Once a developer is ready to deploy their application, they can simply click a button to deploy it to the web. Replit takes care of all the infrastructure and hosting, so developers don't need to worry about setting up servers or managing their own infrastructure. Replit also provides developers with a custom domain name for their deployed applications, making it easy to share their projects with others. This can be especially helpful for developers who want to showcase their work or share their applications with potential employers or clients. Overall, deployment on Replit is a powerful feature that allows developers to easily and quickly deploy their applications to the web. With Replit's simple deployment process and support for a wide range of programming languages and frameworks, developers can focus on building great applications rather than worrying about infrastructure and hosting. One of its features is the Replit Bounty program. Bounties are a way for developers to incentivize others to contribute to their projects. Developers can create bounties by setting a reward for a specific task or issue they need help with. Bounties are a great way to get help with a specific problem or to encourage collaboration on a project. They can also be a way for developers to earn some extra income while working on their coding skills. Replit offers a secure and transparent platform for creating and claiming bounties, making it easy for developers to collaborate and get things done. Last but not the least, boost your productivity and creativity with AI-powered Ghostwriter directly integrated in your IDE. So if you ever get stuck on a coding problem, Replit's Ghostwriter feature can help. This AI-powered tool suggests code snippets and offers helpful tips to get you back on track.